Yeah, when you do, what is this? Reading the codes, when the scanner, the computer, you see the P0303.
That's the code?
Yeah, telling you that there's a misfire in cylinder number 3. But everybody, when you search, you Google it, everybody change fuel pump, camshaft sensor, crankshaft sensor, injectors, spark plugs, coils,
back.
and all it is that the injector number 3, it's directly on top of the exhaust manifold. So that what it does, it evaporates the gasoline that stays in the injector. So when you wanna start the car again after driving for 20 minutes or when the engine is warm, it's gonna cause you the misfiring. And all it is just that it needs an insulation for the heat. Then it's the injector number 3. And what we're doing right now is trying to, what is this?
Put insulation.
Yeah.
Basically, we went to the dealer and it costs only about $6 on the dealer. So you can get it on the internet even cheaper, for like $7. So we're just trying to do a little
homemade
repair here. Yeah. So see if it works. So if it works, you know, it takes like about 2 days to get it in from the dealer. But we have no patience. We don't want to wait. We want to see if this maybe works. So we'll see in a day or so if it works.
What happened is that the injectors that they use, the material to build injectors are so cheap that the walls of the injectors are so thin that when the heat of the engine evaporates the gasoline that stays in the injector.
Right, so basically it stays empty on that little chamber, right?
Yes, right.
So that's what causes the misfire and the mumbles and stumbles and
all the headaches.
Yeah. And we went on Google and we found it's like I said, pretty common.
And it's not just in the Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee. It's in all those cars that they have the 4.0 liters.
Right. Right. Remember, if you get that reading with the computer, the 0303, that's the misfire. So what we did, we just removed basically the throttle body that goes there. We're gonna clean that. You know, and like I said, we're just trying to insulate that, kind of like a jacket or so. Here, pretty much what Rodolfo, my friend, is doing here.
Let me just
there
put
you
the
go.
light so they can see better. Wait, let me just.
Yeah, it looks a lot better from here. So, yeah.
Okay.
There
Just show how it looks without it.
Oh, exactly. And without it, it's just like that. But it works pretty.
This is the body.
That's the body of the injector, right? Correct.
Yes, and this is what we did here.
And this is what we did here. We just put the well, my friend.
This.
Yeah, try to insulate just that injector.
So it doesn't evaporate the gasoline.
Right.
From the injector, and that's going to be the problem. The solution of the problem.
Right. So, okay. All right, we're gonna put everything back together, and we'll let you know, people. We'll make another video after this one. Peace out.